Hello everyone, welcome to today's session story using broadcast message. So in the previous classes we have learned what is broadcast message, which is used to send signal from one sprite to the another. So in the previous class we created a story using this broadcast block which was sending signal from one sprite to another. Today we are going to create a dance competition using broadcast. Let's try from scratch. First we will need a background, stage background where the competition will happen, dance competition. First we need a host. We can make this girl a host. Okay, once the sprite is visible, not sure why did sprite come up. We can even take this as the host. Okay, we can delete this girl looks good for this girl looks good as a host. So we write when the green flag is clicked, we are going to set her position, and I can even add a microphone. Nice. I'll change the size, consider 60. Let's change the direction. Still the size should be smaller, 40. Okay, this position is good for the microphone. So let's set it using go to. Once we have set the position, now singer is going to say everything. Okay, so singer will say hello, welcome to dance competition. Once we do that, then it will say let's welcome our first participant, ballerina. Okay, so I'm going to add show because I want to disappear this host now. So let's welcome ballerina on the stage. Here is the ballerina. So it should broadcast message what? Ballerina dance. It is going to broadcast a message called ballerina dance. So once this girl broadcasts this message, ballerina will receive it. When I receive ballerina dance, show. And when the green flag is clicked, it should not be visible. Let's see. Welcome to dance competition. Let's welcome our first participant, ballerina. So when the ballerina comes up on the stage, you can do here hide also. And for mic, when I receive, show. When I receive ballerina dance, hide. Welcome to dance competition. Let's welcome our first participant, ballerina. And then we will take ballerina and keep here, where we will set the position here after visibility. Now to make ballerina dance, you have to change its costume. Let's go to the costume section. You will see there are different costumes which make ballerina dance. I'll take repeat 10 and the next costume. Let's see what happens when I just click on this. It's dancing very fast, which is not practical. So I'll take wait 1 second and change it to 0.3. We can increase this to 20 and then we can even add the sound now. Okay, with sound I got one idea, that when ballerina comes up on the stage, that time also we can add a clapping sound. So you go to the sound category, you click on plus and you search for clapping. and say play sound until done. After show, I think. Okay. Now for the sound, we are going to take control. Let me add sound for the dance. This was to cheer, right? Now this one will happen and then this should start. So I'll take control, wait 1 second in between. Sorry, when I receive ballerina dance. Let's see. What's the problem? Ballerina's posture is wrong. One thing is that the problem. So we do switch costume to ballerina A, and here you can make it 2 seconds. Three seconds will also actually work. Let's check. Hey. Very nice. They're synchronizing. So after dance, she can just say thank you and then hide. And now we are going to broadcast a new message saying host, because now again host will come on the stage. So now you have to make this singer show, right? When I receive host, show. I'll do same for microphone. Okay. The position for host should be same. The same position. Microphone also you can give the same position. And once it's on the stage again, it can display the message amazing performance ballerina. Can't wait to see champ on the stage. You can decide when you want sound. You want them to cheer up after their dance is done, or in the start, or both the time. So all these additional things can be done according to your preference. So when I said can't wait to see champ on the stage, we will say please welcome our second participant, champ. Okay, so when this is done, it will hide. Let's take hide. Okay. First, it should broadcast a message for champ dance. I'll put this one here and change this to champ dance. So let's add a champ. Okay, champ is really big. 50 is good. It should be here. So I'll do when the green flag is clicked, hide, and when I receive champ dance, show. This particular position, and you have to hide microphone, right? When I receive champ dance, hide. Let's run and see. Welcome to dance competition. Let's welcome our first participant.
Hey.
Thank you. Amazing performance, ballerina. Can't wait to see Champ on the stage. Please welcome our second participant, Champ. Now we want, when Champ comes up on the stage, we want clapping sound to be there, right? So we add clapping. And for dance also, we can add some different song now. This one, Dance Funky, I've taken. Okay. After that, we will start repeat 10. Next costume, and because it shouldn't happen very fast, I'll take 0.3. And here what we will do, again when I receive champ dance, we have to make it wait 3 seconds like we did here. By the time clap sound is done, then dance sound funky. So once it completes dancing, it can say thank you and hide. Thank you. And it can broadcast host 2 because host is coming again on the stage. Host 2. Let's do till here. Then we will just make host say amazing, it was really nice.
Hey.
Now host will come. Champ. Perfect. We also have to set the costume in the start because it will start with this one. Okay, now host 2. So now when I receive host 2, it has to show. Same for the mic. And position will be same. I'll just duplicate this block. Host 2. Now host will come up and say great performance champ, and it will say please wait for the results, or we can say results will be announced tomorrow. Thank you. Now let's go in full screen and let me show you the complete project.
Hey.
Amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed and you will try to create this dance competition. You can do a lot of your variations and put it up. Thank you so much. Bye.